guys, welcome back to the channel. Going for a ride. I did an Instagram poll asking people should I ride or no, and everyone said ride. So it's a safe ride, don't worry. We're not talking to people, we're not meeting people. It's a social distancing ride. So here is the bike ready to go. And this is iPhone 11 Pro, so hope you get to see it in good detail. So actually riding with a friend of mine named Raj. We are friends for decades now. He's a very close friend of my brother. And Raj has a wonderful bike which you're going to see now and we'll talk about it. So he actually had to change the tires of the bike and that was delaying our ride plan, and now of course with the virus. But today we said let's do a short ride. So come along, let's have some fun. And remember, we are staying safe. We are going to keep 6 feet distance, and we got the mask, gloves and helmet, so we are safe. All right, so anyone wanting to comment about social distancing or lockdown, please avoid. In the US we are following the rules here. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. I know in my last motor vlog there was a lot of wind noise. The breeze was crazy, so I couldn't help it. I've just come to my building entrance here to wait for Raj, my friend. And I'm gonna just park the bike the other side till he comes. So Sunday ride. As I mentioned, I did a poll on Instagram and got you guys views on whether I should ride or not. Just waiting for Raj. So Raj is just giving my bike a spin. Phone and everything, right?
Wow, dude.
It's pretty high tech now, dude. They've got everything.
It handles.
It's a little big looking for you because you're petite.
I'm a petite guy.
You're a petite guy. How's your bike doing?
Good, good. Finally got new tires.
Just tell us something about your bike.
Well, it's 13 years old.
13 years old, so 2007.
February 2007.
And this is what, 800cc?
This is 865 cc.
Okay.
It's a twin.
So it's a
Double
Triumph Bonneville.
The Triumph Bonneville.
So you just changed the tires or something,
Yeah,
right?
just yesterday put brand new tires. These are Michelin's.
Very nice. So Raj and I had to drive or ride for a long time, but his tire
Yeah, I had
changing was an issue.
My tires weren't changed for a while.
Yeah.
Because all the shops were busy or closed. But
Yeah.
finally, yesterday I got it.
So those who don't know, Raj used to ride a RD 350, the
Yeah.
Yamaha.
Yeah.
Where's that now? You sold it, right?
Well, the one in India, yeah, I sold it, but I have another one now. That's a project which is
Okay.
in progress. It's
Cool.
a 1974.
All right.
You know, you and your brother, he and I go along.
Yeah. I was telling them in the intro video.
Yeah.
We've known each other for years. Oh, you've got a nice phone mount here.
This is actually not that good. I have to change it. I was looking at yours.
The RAM is nice.
Yeah, I need something full metal. This thing is plastic.
The RAM is sturdy and you can get the grip to fit your whatever size.
I definitely need something
Yeah.
like that. But yesterday I washed the bike.
Cool.
Palisades Poplar.
No, this is better. You want to go there? Oh. So we got Raj on his bike. And as you can see, Raj is fast and he's ridden about 150 miles top speed on that bike. So don't be surprised if he leaves me and goes. There's a truck in front that's slowing us down a lot, but it's been a good ride so far. We've nearly reached the coffee shop that we are going to. So guys, check out the bike lineup here. It's amazing. So dude, how the bike lineup? Pretty cool, huh? Got a Triumph here and a whole list of bikes. BMW, Harley Davidson's.
Also an 07.
07? Oh wow. Should get a picture of it. I love the sidecar, man.
Pretty cool, huh?
Really cool. He's maintained it so well. So we just had a nice coffee break and we're gonna keep riding. And obviously we wore our mask and gloves, so for those of you who are worried about safe distancing or social distancing, we are fine. And it's getting a bit gloomy, but we are planning to ride to Bear Mountain, which is a very beautiful road from here. We're just planning to do that. Let's see how it goes. Very easy ride, nothing fast. So Raj has a small tank, so we need to just fill up some gas and I'm gonna wait. Obviously my tank is full. So after we fill up, we're gonna head on to Bear Mountain. Guys, we've reached Bear Mountain and there's a jam over here. And that's so pretty there. Look at the lake, amazing. So this is beautiful, but I don't know where the traffic is going. So Raj is about 10 cars ahead of me because he's, like I said, a speeder and I'm not. I was about 10 miles above the speed limit, which is fine, which was 65 miles, which is in kilometers about 100, I guess. That was the speed limit, was 55. I was at 65. So Bear Mountain State Park. We've ridden about 37 miles from my house to get here, which is not that much. RI is very cool. Yeah.
How much was your helmet?
600. Now it's maybe less. It's the RI Quantum, but it's good. There are a lot of deals on now. Yeah, actually go for the Shoei RF 1200. If you
need a good helmet.
That's about 350. No, go for it. Because you'll find a much better difference. Now if you're going to ride a lot, you should. Like,
First helmet, I wasn't sure I'll keep it on.
I don't need those earplugs and all.
Preparing headset.
Because that's, I think mostly because of the earplugs, I'm not able to hear the bloody speaker.
Yeah, it's important when you're navigating. So guys, we're just done with Bear Mountain. The park was shut obviously because of Corona, but we're heading back to the market. Alright Raj, take care buddy. Fist pump. It was a good ride. How did you like the ride?
Good weather today.
Yeah.
So let's do it again. This
So
was good. Like you
we
can
did
see-
about what 37 miles each way.
Yeah. I think overall
Yeah.
about maybe 70
75
to
miles.
80
Yeah.
miles.
Not bad.
Not bad for a
Not
first
bad
day.
for lockdown.
Yeah. But you can see like all the Harley guys are here.
So you've got what, another 20 miles from here?
Yeah, I think my total would have been just over 100
Yeah.
today.
Not bad, yeah.
Not bad.
How did the bike do? Good?
Good, yeah. I mean, the tires really made a huge difference. I'm glad. I also got a slightly bigger tire on the rear
Yeah.
than the stock, and that was really
Got both
helpful.
tires for about 400, you said.
Yeah.
These are Michelin.
These are slightly high-end tires, so a little bit more expensive, but definitely worth it. So yeah.
It's good.
Looking
Ride
forward
safe,
to our
man.
YouTube.
Take
Looking
care,
forward
buddy.
to our next
Let's
one.
do this soon. Alrighty, guys.
Thanks for having me out today, man.
Yeah, take care, man.